मारे हरम बाज़े बातामीर जहाँ खैज मैं मारे हरम बाज़े बातामीर जहाँ खैज अज़ ख़ाबे गिरा ख़ाबे गिरा ख़ाबे गिरा खैज अज़ ख़ाबे गिरा ख़ाबे गिरा ख़ाबे गिरा खैज.
Now the next is we are going to have drama, that is always be humble. We are having some team of Abdullah and their friends. They are going to perform a drama, that is always be humble.
There lived a rich man on an island. He was very fond of hunting. The rich man go to the jungle through a small patch of land which belonged to a poor weaver. One day, the rich man met the poor weaver and said,
"Sell this piece of land to me. I will give you whatever price you ask."
"This is my only source of income. Sorry, sir, I can't sell it to you."
The rich man got upset. He left and came back the next day.
"Sell this land, otherwise I'll beat you up. I know many powerful peoples."
"Do whatever you like, sir. Allah is my protector."
The rich man was very angry on hearing this. He returns and the sport a couple of days later with some goods.
"Sell this land and leave the place immediately, otherwise I'll destroy everything you have."
"Your money, strength or influence cannot scare me. Allah is my provider. He will take care of me."
The rich man got very angry. He ordered his goons to beat the weaver and burn everything.
"Goons, beat him!"
The rich man and his goons beat the weaver and left him bleeding. Many days passed. The rich man went deep in the jungle for hunting and lost his way. The jungle was home to the tribal people. On seeing the rich man, the tribal people caught him and tied him to a pole.
"I am rich and powerful, leave me."
The tribal people did not understand a thing he said. The rich man looked around for help and found the poor weaver tied to another pole in the same manner.
"How did you come here?"
"After my hut was burnt by you, I prayed to Allah to guide you and left the place in search of livelihood. These people caught me in the jungle and brought me here."
Both of them were taken to the tribal chief. The weaver prayed to Allah for help. Suddenly he got an idea. He picked up a few straws nearby and quickly makes a small hat. The weaver went to the chief and placed the hat on chief's head.
"This is a small gift for you, chief."
"Ha ha ha."
The chief was very happy. He ordered his people to set the weaver free.
"Leave him free."
"Thank you, chief, for sparing my life."
"What about me? Please help me."
"Please leave my friend also."
"Leave him free too."
Chief ordered his people to free the rich man as well.
"I am sorry for whatever I did to you. Please take half of my wealth and forgive me."
"I helped you to please Allah. Only He shall reward me."
"Neither my money, my strength, nor my influence could save me. I am ashamed of my behavior. I promise to be humble and always help the poor in need."
The rich man learned a very important lesson that day. We should be humble and always help the poor in need. Thank you.
So that's a very wonderful message, that we always have to be humble because Allah is always watching us, and we should always be humble to our other, help the one who is in need.